Okay guys, I'm gonna try to make this super quick. I just had a run to Sally's today. It is 96 degrees outside. I hope y'all are enjoying this heat wave that we're having. Finally summer is here and there's no rain. I did a short run to Sally's and I got a few items that I just wanted to share, the things I'm going to be reviewing, and some things that are just basic stuff that random. This is just a random video. So if you have not ever subscribed, please make sure, if you like this video, to make sure that you hit that red button below and hit the like button if you enjoy the video. And if you're an old timer, thank you for joining me on this video and welcome. And let's get started. So the first thing I want to show you, ooh, I hit the camera. First thing I want to show you is the end papers that I finally got. I've been talking about this on my videos for quite a while. Every time I go to Sally's I forget. It's not just something on my mind, but finally I got them. This works well to twist your, to roller set your hair with either sponge rollers, perm rods, or the rod twist, flexi rods. So I'm going to be using this, and I got me some flexi rods. So I'm going to be using this actually to do, hopefully, I was torn between getting the purple ones and the orange. These are a little bit chunkier, but I like big fat bouncy curls. I do have some red ones that are small and they're tighter curls. So I figured I would try to do something that is on the opposite end, on the opposite spectrum of what I normally have. So I am going to try these, and they come 10 in a pack. So hopefully my hair should actually, yeah, I'll try these, hopefully it will work. I'm gonna just roll this up with some mousse, or maybe a blow dry. I'm not exactly sure, but just keep watching, okay? Make sure you hit that button so you can get the latest uploads, and hit that bell. Okay, now the next thing I got, which one I want to show you first? I'll show you this. I got me a natural curl drawstring ponytail. I've never actually even wore a ponytail. Can you believe it? I have never worn a ponytail. And this is a drawstring. It's synthetic. It's color 4 brown. And this is what it looks like. So I'm going to be trying this out and seeing how this works, and I will be doing probably an updo with this also, so stay tuned for that. And then the next thing I want to show you is I got me another one of these. I love these. I'm addicted to these water bottles. The way they spritz is unreal. It's unmatchable to anything that I've ever used. So I'm definitely had to get another one. I'm going to put, I have water in one, and I'm going to use a liquid leave-in conditioner. So I've had this is not new, and I did not get this at Sally's. I've had this for sitting in my closet for quite a while. So I'm going to use this as a leave-in. This is by ORS, and it's just a basic leave-in conditioner. So instead of pouring it out, I'm going to pour it in the spritz bottle so I can easily just spray it in my hair. So that's why I got this. And next basic is a beauty. I just got nail polish OPI. It was on sale for $5 and I love the color. As you can see, I need to do my nails. It's overdue. So I just got me this. I love purple. Purple's my thing, so I just went ahead and got me that. And the last thing I got was this oval blender brush. So this is what it looks like. The lighting. So I'm going to probably do a review on this brush. I've seen many types of similar brushes on Instagram and on probably on YouTube, yeah. Beauty content creators. So I am going to try this one. It's by Core Collection. I'm not sure how good the brand is. Hopefully it works good. I'll do a review on this and I'll give you more details later. So this is the beauty brush. Okay, so this is the Oval Blender Synthetic Bristles Core Collection. So quickly it says achieve a perfect and smooth base every time with the Oval Blender brush. Its ultra soft synthetic bristles allow you to use creams, liquids, and powders to quickly apply your favorite foundation to an airbrushed finish. Apply the product directly onto the skin and use the brush in a circular or tapping motion until desired coverage is obtained. So, and it says that it's extremely soft synthetic hair and ergonomical handle. High performance brushes that deliver airbrush results. So I am curious to see how this is going to work. And I am going to be doing a review on this, so stay tuned. Recently, and I like this for my blushes and for just blending my contour powder and my contour powder and my blushes together with my oh gosh, my brain, this thing right here, the Sculpting Touch, which contours. So I got that for this, and that is it. And thanks for watching. Just we'll pop it on real quick, nothing special. And I'm going to dig into this Lindy's frozen homemade watermelon icy because it is hot, 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 hot. So thanks for watching and enjoy your summer. Bye bye. Thank you.